ChatGPT is a computer program. It can understand you. It is designed to process and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can talk to you. This means you can have a conversation with it, just like you would with a friend or a colleague. You can ask it questions, and it will try to answer you. Whether you need help with homework, want to know the weather, or are curious about a historical fact, ChatGPT is there to assist. ChatGPT is still learning, though. It uses machine learning algorithms to improve its responses over time, constantly evolving to better understand and assist users. It makes mistakes sometimes, but it is getting better all the time. ChatGPT can be helpful. Developers are always working on updates to make it more accurate and reliable. It can answer your questions, write stories, and even write poems. You can use it for creative writing, generating ideas, or simply for fun. ChatGPT is a powerful tool. It can assist in professional settings, helping with tasks like drafting emails, creating reports, or brainstorming new projects. You can use it for many things. Have fun exploring it. The possibilities are endless, and as technology advances, so will the capabilities of ChatGPT. First, you need an account. Go to the ChatGPT website. Look for the Sign Up button. You will need to enter some information. This includes your email address. You will also create a password. Once you have an account, you can log in. Click on the Login button. Enter your email and password. Now you are ready to use ChatGPT. The ChatGPT interface is simple. You will see a text box. This is where you type your messages. Below the text box is the chat history. This shows your conversation with ChatGPT. On the left side, you may find some options. These let you do different things, like starting a new chat. That's it. You are ready to start chatting. Section 4. Talking to ChatGPT. In this section, we will explore how to interact with ChatGPT, an advanced AI language model designed to assist you with a variety of tasks. To talk to ChatGPT, just type in the text box. It's as simple as starting a conversation with a friend. You can ask a question, whether it's about general knowledge, specific information, or even advice. ChatGPT is here to help. You can give it a command. For example, you might ask it to write an email, generate a list, or even solve a math problem. ChatGPT will respond to you. It processes your input and generates a thoughtful reply based on its training data. It will try to understand what you mean. The AI uses context and language patterns to interpret your queries accurately. It will give you a helpful answer. The response aims to be as relevant and useful as possible, tailored to your specific needs. You can keep talking to ChatGPT. The conversation can continue as long as you need, covering multiple topics seamlessly. Ask it anything you want. From casual questions to complex inquiries, ChatGPT is designed to handle a wide range of topics. The more you use it, the better it will understand you. Over time, the AI learns from your interactions, improving its responses and becoming more attuned to your preferences. Section 5. Useful tips and tricks. Be clear and specific when you type. The more detailed your query, the better the response you'll get. This will help ChatGPT understand you. Providing context can make a big difference in the quality of the answers. If you don't understand something, just ask. Don't hesitate to seek clarification. ChatGPT will try to explain it in a different way. It can rephrase or provide examples to make things clearer. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try asking the same question in different ways to see how the responses change. Try different things and see what happens. Have fun. Exploring various topics can lead to unexpected discoveries. ChatGPT is a powerful tool. It can assist with learning new skills, solving problems, and even sparking creativity. Use it to learn, explore, and be creative. The possibilities are endless, so dive in and see what you can achieve.